Hello everybody. So in the series of this learning of C programming language, control statement topic I am discussing. So today I am going to discuss one more important topic, one more important chapter from this control statement, that is nested if. Conditional control or decision statements we are continuing. So nested if I am going to discuss nested if. So what is nested if? What is the syntax for those? How to write the program? Which type of program we can design by the concept implementing the nested if concept? Right? Everything I will discuss here. So nested if. The meaning of nested if is what? Simply, if you ask to anybody, any video you will see. Okay. Simple definitions they are giving. What is that? When 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 if is if statement, when if statement is another if statement, right? When if statement will be defined, another if statement, observe 1 minute, please, 1 minute. Okay. When one if or if else if one, okay, I will write here simple if, right? One simple if or if else will be defined, right? Defined inside another simple if or if else, right? It is called as nested if, right? It is called as nested if statement. Nested if statement, right? What is that one means? I'll explain slowly. Observe. When one simple if or if else will be defined inside another simple if or if else, it is called as nested if. I'll write the syntax here first. Observe. I'll write the syntax here. What is the syntax here? Suppose this is the if. I'm writing here condition. If condition I'm writing, right? So after that bracket started. Then I'm writing the statement. Here one statement. Then here another statement I'm writing. Here one statement. Here another statement I'm writing. Okay. So let me give some space so that it can. So here. Okay. 1 minute please. Here I'm writing statements. So here I'm writing again one more if condition, CONDITI conditions, right? So here I'm writing one more condition. Okay. Now if the condition is true, again bracket start, right? Bracket start. Here I'm writing some statement. Okay. Then bracket close. Observe. This is bracket close. Bracket close. And here I'm writing else. Okay, else. Writing here statement, some statement I'm writing here. Then bracket close, right? So see the structure, how it is looks like. This is one if statement. So condition I have written, 1, 2 statement. Again in third statement, in place of third statement, I am writing another if. See this if inside this if. So this if is inside the first if. So whenever one if condition is defining inside another if conditions, then it is called nested if. It is called nested if. So here observe, sir. This this if is called sir, outer if. This is called outer if. And this if is called this if is called this one is called inner if, right? Inner inner if. Sir, how the executions will be done here? Observe, I will explain that one also. While how the this statement will be executed. Sir, see, suppose condition is true, right? Condition is true. If condition true, then what will be happen? It will be enter inside this block. So this is the starting of the block, curly bracket, starting of the block. So it is enter into the block. So in the block, this statement will be executed. This statement will be executed. Now what will be happen? Here in the third statement, one more if is there, which is nothing but inner if. Again condition will be check here. Okay, and again condition will be check here, right? So if condition true, then what will happen? Again it will enter to the statement inner, this block. Then this statement will be executed, this statement will be executed, right? Then after this statement will be executed, it will come to outside. It will come to outside. So when this procedure will be followed, when the both condition is true, here also true, okay, and here also true, okay, both condition are true. Suppose this condition is false, this condition is false, right? Okay, so first suppose this condition, so this condition is true, so it enter, okay, and this condition is true, so it is enter, then it is go to outside. Just I explained. Now suppose this condition is false, okay, now this condition is false, then what will be happen? It will not execute this statement, it will go to directly else part. It will go to else. Okay, sir, this condition is true, but this condition is false. Outer if condition is true, inner if condition is false, then what will happen? This if block statement will not execute, then it will go to the else part. This else part, this statement will be execute. After that it will go to outside. After that it will go to outside. When this thing will happen, sir? When this condition is true and this condition is false. When this condition is false, right? This condition is false. Now observe, sir, one more case is there. Suppose in the beginning outer if condition is false. If, sir, outer if condition is false, then what will be happen? It will not enter inside. Okay, it will not enter inside. If the outside condition is false, then it will not enter inside, but inside only second if condition is there. That means if the condition is false, then second if statement, second if condition will not execute, and all this statement also will not execute, because this total part, okay, this total part I have written inside this block, inside this if. Okay, na? So if it is true, then control will be enter. If it is false, then it will skip. This part will be totally skip. This total part will be skip if it is false, right? Then what will happen? If it is false, what will happen? If it is false, then directly the control will go to outside. Go to outside. When it is false, right? When it is false. This is the working style of nested if. Working style of nested if. So here inside the one if condition, I have written another if condition with else block, right? This is the working style syntax of this nested if. Okay, let me copy this one. Control C. Okay, this is the syntax, right? This one is the syntax. Sir, let me give you one suitable example, so that comparing with this one, so that you can easily understand. Suppose nowadays, traffic signal is there. Traffic signal. while we're going in the road, so many traffic posts will come, traffic signal will come. And in that traffic signal, when there is red color, right, traffic signal will come like this, traffic signal will come, right. And when in the traffic signal there is red color, right, red color, okay, red colors, so what the people generally trying to do, they are, if they are getting 2 second chance na, they are trying to cross the road from this side to another side, even the signal is red, right, even the signal is red, the students are the people are what they are doing, they're searching they're waiting for the chance. If 1 second 2 second time they are getting input and nobody is passing in the other side, immediately they are breaking the signals and going to another side, right, this things is common thing, generally it is happening, right. Observe, sir, what I'm trying to do here. Suppose if the traffic is red, signal is red, suppose signal is red, and suppose you have you are in the signal, signal is red, and you are getting late, you are getting late, some emergency work is there, but you are getting late, that means you are in hurry mode. So if you get a chance, then even if with red color also, you will cross the road, right, that situation, that type of situations you have right now. So if the signal is red and you are getting what, you are getting late, you are getting late, right. So signal is red, it is easily visible to you that now the signal is red, and actually you are also getting late. Then both conditions are true for that particular moment, right? For that particular moment, while you are standing in the signal, signal is red, and at that moment you have some emergency work because of that traffic signals, okay, and you are waiting for their 1 minute. So emergency work, so you are getting late. So both conditions are true here. If both conditions are true, what will be happen? It will enter into the loop. Okay, it will enter into the loop. Okay, it will enter into the loop. So enter into the loop. Suppose if you will go, if you will go, okay. So you are getting late now. So even signal is red, signal is red. You think that okay, late, I will go. I will go in that signal. Suppose 2 to 3 second time chance you got, and in between you try to go. You think that I will go. Then what will happen? If you'll go, if you'll go, okay, if you'll go, then there's a traffic police is there or not? Then you will caught. Caught by the police, by the traffic police, right? Will caught by the traffic police, and what will happen? Will caught by the traffic police, and one fine, fine will be imposed. Okay, fine will be imposed. Fine will be imposed, right? So once again I will tell. Suppose signal is red and you are getting late. Okay, so you are getting late, actually you have some emergency work, so you are getting late because of that signal, you need to wait there 1 minute. So signal is red, so signal is red at that particular moment, that is also true, and you are getting late also, that is also true. But what you think, so get both condition are true, true means it will enter into the loop. So what you think, suppose I will go, I will go, suppose if you go, what will happen? So traffic police is there, the traffic police cut you, okay, and fine will be imposed, right? Fine will be imposed. Suppose you think that okay, I will not go, I will not go because signal is red, okay, getting late, signal is red, I will not go because traffic police is there. So what will be happen? What is that? Else in else what will happen? You will be late, okay, you will be late. That means you cannot reach in the proper time because of this traffic signals, right? You will be late. Okay. Na? So this is the condition. Observe, sir. So if condition, so here condition I have given. Inside this if condition, one more if condition. If you will go, then you will caught by the traffic police, and fine will be imposed. If you will not go, else part you will be late. Okay. Suppose the signal is not red. Signal is not red. Signal is not red. Signal is green. Suppose after some signal is suppose green, right? Signal is signal is green. Then what will be happen? If signal is green, then what will be happen? No need to stop there. You can directly go to outside or not. You can directly go to outside or not. Okay, you can directly go to outside. That means if signal is green, then no need to worry about these lines. No need to worry about these portions. Right? If signal is green, no need to worry about this portion. That means this part will be not execute. Signal is green and you are getting late. Okay, signal is now right now green and you are getting late. Then now here I have written signal is red. So condition become false. False means this part will be not execute. Directly you can go to outside. Yes or no? So what I will do here, sir? Here only. Okay, here only the bracket will be closed. Observe this example. Observe this example here. One minute, please, 1 minute. Right. So this is my example. If I'll compare this example with this syntax, if I'll compare this example with this syntax, right? With this syntax, same or not? Yes. So if condition is true, if condition is true, then it will entering inside the loop. So if signal is red and getting late, okay, condition both case true, so you are entering. So now if condition is true, okay, if condition is true, then this statement will be executed. So if you are going means condition true, then this statement will be executed. That means there is a chance of you have to give the fine. You have to cut by the police, you have to give the fine. You have to give the fine. Suppose condition is false, that means you are not going. You are not going, then what is the ultimate result? You will be late here, you will be loaded. Suppose signal is green, that means condition become false. Directly you will come to outside. So you will, this is the working style of the nested if sir. This is one example I have given here. Okay, na? Sir, let me write one program. Oh, what are these, sir? More examples. I'll write here. Observe, sir. Sir, what are the program we can design? Right? We can design by the help of this nested loop. Okay, by help of the nested loop, sir. Gmail login program. Login. Gmail login programs. Right? IRCTC login program. Next, net banking. Okay. Next, gaming applications. Any gaming applications we can design. Gaming applications. How, sir? How, sir? In Gmail, observe. In Gmail, first you are entering the user ID, right? Sir, if your user ID is correct only, then password part will be displayed to you. Then you can able to enter the password. If the user ID is correct, then you can able to allow to enter the password. Otherwise, it will display what? It is wrong. Okay. So if one level will be successfully executed, then second level will become in the Gmail login. Similarly, in gaming applications, level of games are there. Level 1, level 2. If you are able to complete the level 1, then level 2 you can play. Again, if you are completing the level 2, then level 3 you can play. So you cannot directly play level 3, right? Level 1, then level 2, then level 3. How it is designing? By the nested if only, right? By the nested if. If this condition true, then go inside. If this condition true, go inside. If your user ID is correct, then enter here password. If password is correct, then welcome to Gmail. Welcome to Gmail. If user ID is not correct, then what will be happen? If user ID is not correct, then what will be happen? Go outside. Here I will be write what? Here I will be write what? Invalid user ID. I'll write here invalid user ID. If user ID is correct, then password give. If password is correct, then enter. If password is wrong, then go here. Else password is wrong. Like this nested if will be work here, right? So this is the several examples. Example program we can design the applications. Okay. Now I'll give one small example here. Observe sir. All F9. What I'm doing, I'm writing a small example on that. Suppose I'm writing here Asst include stdio dot h. Asst include conio dot h. Void main. Void main. Okay. Void main. I'm writing here that if 5 is greater than 3, okay, simple program, just 5 is greater than 3, bracket start, printf, printf high, printf high, okay, printf high, bracket, printf high, 5 is greater than 3, then printf high. Then I'm writing here if 5 is, one more condition writing, 5 is greater than, okay, 4, 5 is greater than 4, what will be happen? What will be happen, sir? Enter. Okay, printf hello, 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 right? Okay, printf hello. If 5 is greater than 4, printf hello. Now bracket closing. Okay, else else printf what? Printf bye by, printf by, okay, printf by. Next I'm writing bracket close, okay, bracket close. Then main function bracket get ch getch get ch, okay, bracket let's see the solution, bracket close. And here I'm writing, after this writing clr function, right? So this is the program. Observe sir, alt F9, error, sir, no error, control F9. What output I'll get, sir? Hi and hello. Control F9. System can hand. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. See, will hand 1 minute. Totally not responding anything here. See. I calibrated or not? Yes. Observe. Okay. Once again, I will compile disturbances. All definite. Any error? No error. Now control F9. See, hi hello printed. Sir, how this statement will be executed? First object. Sir, if 5 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 2 or false. True means printf high, high printed. Again inside this if I am written another if. 5 is greater than 4. Again true na? True means which part? Hello part will be execute. Print hello. Else part will not execute. Right? Else part will not execute. Now this time you observe, sir. I am changing here. Here I am changing is less than 4. Okay, now condition false now. What will be the output, sir? Output will be high and by. High by. Alt F9. Observe. Control F9. See, high by printed or not? Because now first condition true, outer if condition true, so high printed. Now inside the outer if one more if is there, so condition false. False means if block will not execute, it will go to else block. In the else block by is there, so by is printed, right? By is printed. Now this time I am doing, this one also false. This one also false. 5 less than 3. True or false? False. Na? If false means this total part will be ignored. This total part will be ignored. This total part will be going to ignore. Okay, na? Because false condition false means, so this block here the block started and here the block ended. This block of statement will be not executed. Then what will happen? Directly it will go to outside. But outside unfortunately no statement is there. Then I am going to what? Blank screen only. Observe here. Control F9 I will write. See. Anything is printed? No. If I'll write something statement here, suppose something statement outside it, then suppose I will write here something I will write, then that things will be printed. Something I will write, suppose printf, I will write something here, printf, okay, good morning or good, okay, welcome I will write here, welcome, welcome I will write here outside. So that welcome will be printed. Alt F9, object Alt F9, any error? No error. Control F9, Control F9. See welcome printed or not? So this is the working style of what? Nested if condition. So whenever one if or one if else defined inside another if or another if else, that is called nested if statement. Nested if statement. Okay. So let me give you one interesting example here so that you can get more clarity on that. Observe, sir. Suppose we are going to ATM, right? We are going to ATM for withdrawing of money, withdraw of the money, right? Suppose I am entering the invalid PIN. Okay, I am entering the invalid PIN. Immediately the message is displaying what, invalid PIN or not? But suppose after 3-4 attempts, invalid PIN, immediately one more message is displaying what, your card is blocked. Several times, 3 times I have entered wrong PIN, so immediately my card will be blocked and message will be displayed. Your card is exceed maximum attempts, so card is blocked. Visit nearest branch. Like this message. So that program just I am going to show you. Okay. Observe, sir, what I will do. I am declaring int. Sir, PIN I will enter. PIN. I am declaring one variable PIN. Okay. So suppose first attempt wrong PIN, second attempt wrong PIN, third attempt wrong PIN. While I am attempting fourth time again wrong PIN, then immediately my card is blocked. So one more variable I am declaring here, count. So count how many attempt I am doing. For that I am declaring a count. Initially count which is 0. Count is 0, right? Next, sir, I am declaring what? I am giving message printf, enter 4-digit PIN. Okay, like this message I am displaying. Enter 4-digit PIN. Okay, here I am giving one space and semicolon. Now bracket close, right? Sir, read the PIN scanf, percentile D, right? Percentile D, not percentile D, comma, ampersand PIN. Okay, ampersand PIN. Okay. Now I am starting the conditions. What is the condition, sir? If PIN equal to suppose your ATM card PIN is 1234. Assume your ATM card PIN is 1234, and here 4-digit PIN you are also entering 1234. Then 1234 equal to 1234. Matched condition is true. Then I am writing what? Printf welcome to HDFC Bank, HDFC Banking. Okay. HDFC Bank. Welcome to HDFC Banking. I'm writing this type of message here. Right. Welcome to HDFC Banking. Suppose you enter another PIN instead of 1234, you enter suppose 5469. Then what will happen? Else else what? Printf what? Invalid pin, right? Invalid pin. But it is a simple if else only. It is a simple if else. If I'll execute this program, the alt F9, any error? No error. Okay. Control F9, sir. Count. Okay, no problem. Warning is showing because I have declared count, but I have no here I have used the count. That's a warning is showing. No problem. Control F9. Observe, sir. Enter 4-digit pin. Sir, I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4. My 4-digit pin is 1, 2, 3. Observe. Welcome to HDFC banking or not? Showing or not? Because my pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. I am also entered correct pin. But this time observe. Control F9. Sir, I am entering 3, 2, 1, 4. See, invalid pin showing or not? Okay, but what is my requirement? So my requirement is suppose here invalid pin first attempt I enter 3214 invalid pin. Then immediately it will be asked the second time invalid pin. Second time it will be asked for enter 4-digit pin. Again suppose I will enter 4568. Again invalid pin. Again it should ask enter pin. Again I will enter another pin. Suppose 8941. Again it will be invalid pin. Okay, again it will ask enter pin. Now this time if I enter the wrong pin, immediately message will display what? Maximum attempt. Okay, exceeds maximum attempts, your card is blocked. That type of program I want. Okay, how to implement this type of concept? By using nested if. Observe how I am doing here. So here else. Okay, I am writing here else count plus. Okay, count plus count increase. Suppose this welcome to HDFC banking, when it will be executed? When the pin entered pin and 1, 2, 3, 4 is matching. Your pin will be matched. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose you are giving wrong pin. Then welcome to HDFC banking will not execute. Else part will be executed. In else part I am writing what? Count plus. Now count increase because you have entered wrong pin. Count plus, right? Now what I will do? I will write if count, I will check. Count is greater than, okay, is greater than 3. Count is because 3 attempts. Banking is giving, if you are entering 3 wrong pin consecutively, 3 attempts wrong pin, then your card will be blocked. So greater than 3. Okay, greater than 3. Okay, greater than 3. Then what will happen? Printf. Sir, can I write puts here? Oh, yes, why not? Puts, no problem. Puts, what? Puts exceeds maximum limit, max limit. Okay, card blocked. BLOCK. Card blocked. Exceeds spelling mistake. Exceeds maximum limit, so card is blocked. Like this message I am going to get if I exceed. You give 3 invalid pin consecutively. Okay. Suppose if not, suppose I'll write here else again else printf invalid pin. Right? So observe here alt F9. Okay, any error? No error. Sir, control F9. Okay, sir, 4-digit pin I will enter. Now my program is not completed yet. Just I am showing what thing is required next by executing this program. Observe. So I am giving 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, my pin is correct or not? See, welcome to HDFC banking. Okay, invalid pin also execute. Right, invalid pin also execute. Okay. So bracket I have not closed now. That's why invalid pin is executing. Why? Because else partner I have to give here bracket. It's all things I'm writing inside the else. Then here I have to close it. Okay, bracket close. Right? Bracket close. Observe, sir. Alt F9. Any error? No. Control F9. No. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, welcome to HDFC banking. So in okay. Now this time again once again control F. I am giving 3, 2, 1, 4. See, invalid pin, invalid pin. But what is my expectation? Invalid pin as well as same time it will be give option to me that enter once again 4-digit pin. Okay, but here it is not showing. Why? Because I have not written the logic. Observe how to change this one. Okay. So invalid pin. Here I am writing after I'm writing here. Very simple. Go to concept I will use here. Go to start. So where is start? Have I defined anywhere start? No. Just level, start level. Here again I have to display enter 4-digit pin. So I will define here start start. Right? Start start. And observe sir, in this if else in this else part printf invalid pin and go to start. How many statement? Two statement na? Under this else condition, how many statement? First statement is invalid pin, second statement is go to start. But have I used bracket, curly bracket for this else? No, I have not used. That means only the first statement will be considered inside the else. But I want invalid pin as well as it will go to start and it will be display enter 4-digit pin. Then what I need to do? Observe. Simply I will give bracket here and I will give bracket here. Now problem solved. Observe Alt F9. Right, Alt F9. Now control F9. Sir, I am giving this time 1, 2, 3, 4. See, welcome to HDFC banking. Very simple. Now control F9 again. I am giving 1, 3, 2, 4. See, invalid pin, enter 4-digit pin. Okay, one line it is came. Okay, slash n I will use, the problem will be solved. See, invalid pin here it is in the okay, invalid pin and 4-digit, enter the 4-digit pin. So I am entering this time suppose 5432. Again wrong pin I am entering. See again some problem happened. That's why. Okay. Observe. Once again I will execute. Okay, Alt F9. Okay, first let me give you slash n here. Invalid pin. If I use put function, then the slash n will be not required here actually. So Alt F9. Observe. Control F9. Sir, this time I am giving 1, 4, 2, 3. Invalid pin. See, invalid pin. Enter 4-digit pin. Once again I am giving 4, 5, 6, 3. See, invalid pin. Enter 4-digit pin. Now I am giving 5, 6, 7, 8. Again invalid pin I am giving. So invalid pin. Again enter 4. 3 attempts so far. Now, if this time I will enter invalid pin, immediately my card will be blocked. 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I am giving. Observe. Okay. Enter 4-digit code. Now exceeds max limit. Card is blocked. Okay. Card is blocked. Like this, the program is going to execute. This is the logic here. What is the concept I used here? Simple. Let me take this one to the ATM pin validation program. Okay. ATM pin validation program. ATM pin validation. Write a program for ATM pin validations, right? So this is the program here. Control V. Right? So in the day-to-day life, in the ATM actually this logic is written. How I have written the logic, the same type of logic also in ATM it is working, but they are not using the C language, other programming language they are using, right? So this is what example of. Similarly, I can design, anybody can write the program for login to Gmail, login to IRCTC, login to net banking like this some technique, use some technique and you can write. So this is all about the nested if, right? Nested if, this is the syntax I have written and this is one program I am given. So you practice all this. In the next video I will start very important concept about looping statement. About the looping statement, I'll start. I'll give the interview questions also on that. So I conclude here, guys. So next video I will start the looping statement, right? Okay.